I'm with Fay Brunning here in Cornwall, Ontario. Fay, you're down for the RNAO meeting here in downtown Cornwall. What are some of the subjects you're going to be talking about tonight?
Well, I'm meeting with nurses. That's the Registered Nurses Association of Ontario, and just going to be meeting with nurses to talk about some of the ethical issues that they deal with on an ongoing basis in their work, and how they can look to the law to be able to assist them if they have to take forward issues or they get into the role of being a whistleblower.
Now, elder abuse is a very, very hot topic from different angles, whether it be medications that the elderly are taking, but nurses have a very special relationship with patients, and I'm sure they face certain challenges that could be very, very difficult for them.
Well, that's my understanding too. I've done a lot of work for many years for health professionals, and they juggle a lot of different obligations, because at the same time that they owe duties to their employer, they also owe duties directly as a nurse to the public. And every nurse, for instance, can be held accountable to their college for the services that they provide to patients. And so there's an individual level of accountability for all nurses, for their ethical and professional and moral responsibilities, as well as being employees and having to comply with their employers' policies and regulations. And so I'm just coming tonight to be able to talk about how to try and how to get through that legal maze, and how to what kind of supports are there to be able to help them. In particular, the Registered Nurse Association of Ontario, I've worked with them for many years, and they're a professional organization. They're there to be able to help nurses in like situations. They create committees, they do lobbying, they just did a magazine, I think just 2 editions ago. The whole thing was devoted to issues of elder abuse, which is really, I wouldn't call it a hot topic, I'd call it an issue of great concern to nurses in their workplaces.
How common is it becoming?
Well, I can't give you statistics on that, but I do think that as a society, we are coming to a realization that there is elder abuse, and we're wanting to prioritize it as a society to make sure that it's being addressed appropriately.
Thank you very much.